Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID not working on iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your Apple ID is not working on your iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Open the settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and you can see appears on screen your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is weak, simply connect another Wi-Fi and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is sign out Apple ID and sign back in. Tap on the settings, tap on Apple ID, tap on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password, sign out your Apple ID and sign back in and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your Apple ID status. Visit the Apple ID websites to ensure your account is active or not locked for or disabled. If your account is locked or disabled, simply reactivate your account and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset your Apple ID password. Try resetting your Apple ID password using the forgot password option on the Apple ID. Tap on settings, tap on Apple ID, little bit scroll up to find sign out, tap on forgot password, enter your phone number and change the Apple ID password and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, applying the solution number five. Solution number five is restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number five is not working, applying the solution number six. Solution number six is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Check your restrictions or limitations. Ensure your Apple ID doesn't have any restrictions or limitations. If all solutions are not working, simply contact Apple support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out the Apple support for further assistance to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Apple ID is not working on iPhone and iPad. Latest 2024 method. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.